Let me share a GoHighLevel trick, you could say, with you, which I was searching for this on the internet and I just couldn't find it anywhere. And I just thought you might have the same issue, so this might be helpful for your case. So what was the issue in my case? I have this website and now I direct traffic to my website, specifically to this form. So they will put their full name here, they will put their email address and then click on get the roadmap or get anything, get PDF. So I wanted to automate this. Obviously you don't want to collect emails and then manually send them the PDF or whatever you promised in the YouTube video or somewhere else. There just wasn't any good resource to explain how to do it. So here is how I set this up. You go to the sites and then here there is forms somewhere here, and then you go to the forms builder. So you just build an example form like this. You click on add form, you build this, and here you just drag and drop the full name and the email from here with the plus icon, and then you add the button. On the button, if you click here, you can see in the options you have on submit, which is the action that will be performed on submit. And you might think that you can add it here like the automation, but there is no way here. You can just display a message or redirect them to somewhere else. So once you set up this form and then you add it to your website. So if you go to your website, this is my website. This is the page that contains the form. This one. Here you can see you just attach the form. So you select the form type of component and then you select the specific form that you want to attach here. How is this selected? Yeah, here. So I just selected that form here. Now how do you automate this? That is done in the automation section. So here I just have email automations folder. So you just create a new workflow, and this is the workflow that I have. So here in the trigger, for a long time I couldn't find a trigger that was the form submission. I thought some other ways, like just creating contact, but I don't want to send this to all contacts, but only those contacts that submitted this form. So in that case, actually there is form submitted type of workflow, and you can select the form here, like form is, and then you select the form that is submitted, which is in this case is this form. So that's how it goes. Now you have the trigger, and once this is triggered, I just add a tag here. This is optional. You can skip this part. And then you have the email. Now in the email, here you could just send the PDF here. But actually, a pro tip here for you. I don't send it here. I ask them to reply with yes, and then I will send the roadmap to them. So this does two things for us. First of all, and this is the biggest one, it ranks your email higher in the email provider domains. For example, like Gmail will rank your email based on the responses. Like if you're just sending emails to everyone and no one is replying to you back, they might put you in a promotions category, and the worst case they might even put you in the spam category of people, so no one will notice your email and also harms your reputation. So instead you ask them to reply yes. First of all, by doing it you rank higher, and second, they confirm their subscription to your email, so they confirm that you can send other emails later. So once they reply yes, here you wait for reply, and then you add a condition where the reply is either uppercase yes, lowercase yes, or yes with the first letter uppercase. And if this condition is met, only then you send the PDF. So that's a cool trick that you can use, and it will rank your email domain higher, and you will also get people just to interact with your email and not feel like that this is just something automated that they receive. Yeah, that's it. That's how to set up a form and automation in GoHighLevel.